Two capacitors of capacitance 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad are connected to a potentials of 2 volt and 5 volt respectively. These two charged capacitors are connected in series. Find the potential across each of the two capacitors now. So according to the given condition, so we have two capacitors, one is 3 microfarad, another capacitor take that is 6 microfarad. Let me take a C2 that is 6 microfarad and this one as C1 equal to 3 microfarad. And now these two are connected. These two are connected to a voltage source of 2 volt. So here the potential difference is 2 volt. Voltage source V equal to 2 volt and here the voltage source V equal to 5 volt. Now after connecting that one, what happens in this case? Now the capacitor gets charged. After charging, the two capacitors connected separately. So the C1 and the C2, these are the two capacitors. They are connected and we need to find the what is the potential difference across the each capacitor. Suppose if you connect a voltmeter at here, and what is the potential difference across the voltmeter at here from the capacitance C1 and the capacitor C2. Now to solve that, we are having only known relation, that is the capacitance relations. Capacitance C equal to Q upon V, charge per potential. First I would like to find out the what is the charge on each capacitor. Suppose if I take this setup, so I would like to find what is the charge on the capacitance C1. So in this case, if I apply that notation, C1 equal to Q1 by V1, therefore Q1 equal to C1 times V1. So capacitance Q1 equal to 3 microfarad times 2 volt. So Q1 equal to 6 microcoulomb. So that is the capacitance units in this case. Sorry, I would mention this as a Q1. For the second case, if I take the capacitance to this case, so capacitance for the C2 case, now C2 equal to Q2 by V2, therefore Q2 equal to C2 times V2. So charge Q2 equal to C2 value is given 6 microfarad times voltage, it's the 5 volt, therefore Q2 equal to 6 5 is a 30 microcoulomb. So that is the capacitance value, we got it at here. Now when we connect in series of these two capacitance, so what happens in series? In series combination, charge is conserved. So in series combination, the charge is conserved. It means the total charge, if we can write the total charge, on the two capacitors, the total charge on the Q capacitor, if I take that as a total charge Q equal to Q1 plus Q2. So the total charge Q equal to, that is 6 microcoulomb plus 30 microcoulomb. The total charge equal to 36 microcoulomb. Now once if you figure it out what is the total charge, once you figure out what is the total charge, it is easy to find the potential difference relation, because the capacitance relation you can write that C1 equal to the total charge by the potential V1. I can take it here. So here the potential difference I can mention as V1. I would like to find what is the potential difference in this case right now after charging. So C1 equal to Q1 by V1. The C1 value is given that is the 3 microfarad, which equal to charge is given 36 microcoulomb upon potential V1. Now if you can cut it here on the micro on the both sides and the 3 in 36, the potential V1 equal to 12 volt. So it means the voltmeter here it shows how much value? 12 volt. Likely we will find that the capacitance for the C2 the capacitance value C2 equal to Q. Here the Q is the total charge upon the what is the potential difference across that capacitance after connecting when they charge. Therefore C2 is given that 6 microfarad, which equal to Q, the total charge equal to 36 microcoulomb upon potential V2. So the micros gets cancelled and 6 in 36 equal to 6 times. So the potential V2 equal to 6 volt. So this is the voltage or the potential difference across the capacitor C2 when it connected after charging. So it gives to me as 6 volt. So to find out the potential difference, since in series combination the voltage drop across each capacitor is different. So to find out that, we have taken the help of, this is the statement, the total charge on the two capacitors or in series combination. The total charge on the series combination equal to sum of the individual charges. And not only that, the charge is conserved. Yeah, it's a conserved quantity. Where the charge will go, charge amount of the charges remains constant.